Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to start a new shop on Etsy. Then guys, I will show you step by step how to list any product on your Etsy account. As you know guys, Etsy is one of the most popular e-commerce platform that independent sellers can create their online store to sell the handmade, vintage and craft items. And I will show you how to create your new account on and the new seller account on Etsy. As you know guys, it's very easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your browser and tap in the search bar etsy.com. Then guys, if you want to create your new account on Etsy, just go on the sign in at the top. Then guys, there is two different options. The first options as a beginner is that you can create a new account. Just go and click on register to create a new account, or you can link it and create with your email address with your Google account or your Facebook account, or your continue with your Apple account, or you can click on register as a beginner. Just click on register, then you need to add your email address and first name and the password and click on register to create the new account on Etsy. As you know guys, this is the home page of Etsy. Then if you want to sell and list any product like a home page or a vintage product, just then go on the toolbar on the top and click shop manager. Click on shop manager, then wait a few seconds. Then first guys, go and you need to add your shop language. You can select your language, because I have already selected my language is English. Then guys, you need to select your country. For example, United States. Then guys, the last one is add your shop currency. For me, I'm using United States dollar. Then guys, on the bottom click on save and continue. Then guys, the second step is you need to add the shop name. For example, on your switch, for me you can add something like number or anything you want. Then guys, on the bottom click on save and continue also again. Then guys, it will take you directly to listing section. Then now you can create your list. Then first step that you need to add is adding the photos of your product. Then you can upload it on Amazon or AliExpress or Walmart or any website that you use, or you can add your own picture or own photos. Then guys, after adding the picture, then you need to scroll to video. As you know guys, this video is only optional. You can add a video or not, because it's only optional. Then guys, you need to scroll to listing details. Then guys, you need to add the title of the product. Then guys, about this listing, then you can who made this, then select and edit if you are made the product or a member of my shop. Then guys, what is it? Then a friendship product or a supply or tools make things. Then go and click on this, the second one, a finished product. Then the last one, when did you make it? Make to order. Then select the make to order. Then guys, the category, then you need to add your category of the product that you want to list. For example, is if you list a necklace or a vintage product, then tap necklace. For example, necklace or any category that you have. Then guys, the renewal options, it's automatic or manual. Then always select automatic. Then guys, the type physical, because the physical product, because if you select digital, maybe take your account banned. Then always list the physical product on your Etsy. For example, the digital product, for example, the software. Then guys, the description, you can copy the description on your other website, for example AliExpress or Amazon or Walmart or any e-commerce website. Then guys, scroll to product partners, add your new production partner. Then need to fill all the blank. For example, the price, you can add your pricing, the quantity. I prefer and I recommended to add only 4 products because it's maybe as a beginner only select 4 or 5 products. Then this is SKU is only optional. As you know guys, after you selecting also the shipping prices, you can make it free shipping or you can add your shipping price. Then guys, after you adding all this information, go on the bottom and click save and continue. Then after saving and continue, it will list your product directly on your Etsy account. Then guys, after listing your product, then your product it will appear on Etsy account. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.